Top of the good over to you, everybody. How are you today? We are going to be doing a bit of a glam look today, hence the outfit and the earrings. And we're going to be using the colour purple. Mostly using L'Oreal for the base and the blush and the contour and that sort of thing, and may end up doing something a little bit like this, not too sure. You guys know me, I kind of wing it literally as I go along, so if you want to see more, you know what to do. Alright guys, coming in with L'Oreal Base Magique. It's just spelt funny, M-A-G-I-Q-U-E, Magique, like it's French. And it's a transforming smoothing primer, so we'll come in with that to begin with. Oh, it's beautiful and soft. Wow. It's very nice. Okay, we're going to come on in with the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer 322 Ivory. So coming in now with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear in the colour Ivory. Give it a bit of a shaky shake. And I'm just going to come in with a bit on my hand. And then transfer that to the face. I've actually done this back to front. I should have done my eyebrows, but we'll do them in a minute. It's a lovely foundation. Blends really well. I like the colour. Before I come back in with the concealer, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Xpert. Wicked little spoolie. I have been using this NYX little eyebrow cake powder. It's got a really good wax in it here. So I'm just gonna put some on my spoolie and then run that through my brows, and it's like the soap thing. A lot of people use soap, but it does help your eyebrows to stick up with whatever hair you do have. Oh wow, it's a good liner on there. Very nice. I have been using Thin Lizzy a lot lately. I found that to be a really good pencil. This is may have moved to the #1 position. I'm not sure that we actually need it, but I am going to come in with a little bit of concealer. I'm actually going to put it on my hand and just go around the outline of those eyebrows just to make them pop a little bit more. So we have done concealer, we have done foundation, eyebrows are done. Going to come in now with the L'Oreal Infallible Magic Loose Powder. So it's translucent setting powder. I'm going to put a little bit into the cap, just to set those eyes and anywhere that we've had that concealer. And then I'm just going to grab a bit bigger powder brush just to lightly go over the rest of the face. Set it. At this point I might come in with a little bit of the Shake and Glow L'Oreal Paris Spray Illuminator. I always say Illuminator, it's Illuminator. Oh, just another blue bar to add to the... Wow, it's a good spritzer on there, not too hard at all, but I can feel it reaching everywhere. It smells gorgeous. Bronze, please. So L'Oreal Paris La Terra is the colour. La Terra. Create some shadow underneath. Don't worry if you ever come in and it's a little bit too harsh, because you just come back in with your translucent powder brush, which has had nothing else on it, and then you just blend it out a little bit. It doesn't look so bad or harsh. Coming in now with Melon Baby. How cute is that? Yes, I know, I love my blush. Come in with some Rimmel. And I'll do something even more different, and I'll go with the bottom one, which I've never used before, the brownish golden colour. I've never used it, so why not? It's pretty. Cross the Cupid's bow. And then again, if you think you've gone in a little bit too harsh, just come back with that powder brush again. And tone it down a little bit. Bang. So yeah, I didn't realise I didn't have a L'Oreal highlighter. Alrighty. So, it's kind of coming together. I'm going to come in with a few gems and a piece on the centre of my forehead. So it's just got a bit of biz glue here for the glitter. I'll put that on there. Don't know how long that will take to dry. It's quite cute though. I don't know if you can see, but as you move it around, there's some beautiful colours in there. Definitely some purples. So I've got 5 of them on. They are not dry. I've actually just been sitting here with my little ergonomic fan. I'm going to come in with my Klara Cosmetics again. I know, I've been using it a fair bit lately, but it's got some spectacular purple in there. So, I have my brushes laid out here. And I'm just going to come in with the bottom one on the one at the bottom called Lilac. Your Majesty, sorry. I'm going to come in now with Your Majesty up here in the top right corner. Tap it off because it's quite pigmented. I'm going to come into the inner corner here. And up into the crease. And coming in from the outer corner and leaving a gap in the middle. Oh, look at that, it's stunning. Beautiful. I'm just going to bring it up, drawn it slightly above the crease there. And while I've got that colour, but I'll use a different brush, I'll use a smudger. I'm going to come in with the same colour and bring it down below. But not all the way across, and the same on the other end. So I have come in with the purple mascara onto my lashes, I have come in with that same mascara across my eyebrows, which I think looks really cool. I'm going to do that again. And it actually stiffens them up. It's pretty cool, actually. If you think about it, it's just hair anyway. And then I have come in with my Biz Glitter and Liner Duo. So it's actually a black liner on one end. It's a shame it's not a purple one. That would have been awesome. But it's black. And I've just come in with the glitter and use it as an eyeliner. And I'm just going to do another coat because this will now be dry. And come out with a little bit of a wing. Okay, peeps, thank you so much for tuning in. This was a lot of fun today. I've had a few camera issues, lighting issues, battery issues, but it's done. So we have jewels, we have mascara, purple mascara in the eyelashes. We have glitter, purple glitter. We have purple lipsticks going on. We've got purple eyeshadow. I'll list all the products below. And we've got jewels on the face. Thank you as always for tuning in. Please take care of you, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Mwah.